Hello everyone! Handa na ba kayong subukan ang inyong kaalaman tungkol sa pananampalatayang Katoliko? Today, we're diving deep into the rich traditions and beautiful details of the Holy Mass. Mula sa mga sacred vessels na ginagamit sa altar to the meaning behind familiar words and symbols. Ang ating trivia will be a journey of discovery and a chance to deepen our understanding of church. Get ready to learn and have some fun. So, let's begin! Unahin natin ang familiar word na Amen. It signifies agreement, affirmation, or confirmation, often used in religious contexts. It comes from the Hebrew word Amen, meaning, so be it. Kaya mapapansin natin sa bawat panalangin natin sa Kanya ay laging may Amen. Isa pang mapapansin natin kapag pumapasok po tayo sa simbahan ay ang crucifix. Do you ever wonder what INRI means above Jesus' head on a crucifix? Well, it is the initials from the Latin phrase Jesus Nazarenus Rex Iuderum, which translates to Jesus the Nazarene, King of the Jews. Next, these are the names of 10 items that are commonly used at the altar during the Holy Mass. Do you know what they look like? First, Sabarium. It comes from the Greek word kibarium, meaning a cup. It is a large cup made of metal which is used to hold small communion hosts during and after the Eucharistic celebration. Second, chalice, from the Latin word calix, meaning a cup. It is a large cup made of metal that holds the wine which becomes the blood of Christ after consecration. Third, paten, from the Latin word paterna, which means a dish. It is a metal dish which holds the large communion bread to be consecrated during Mass. Fourth, thurible, from the Latin word turubulum, which means incense. It is a metal censer suspended from chains in which the incense is burned during Mass. Fifth, pall. It also refers to the cloth that is used to cover a casket or coffin at funerals. It is a piece of square linen stiffened with cardboard or plexiglass that is placed over the chalice during Mass. It prevents things from falling into the chalice. Sixth, lavabo, from Latin meaning, I shall wash. It is the basin or container in which the celebrant washes his hands at the Mass after the offertory. Seventh,